In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a photo to a resume in Canva. So you need to open up Canva and then go to your resume. Here, once you've got your resume open, you may be working from a template and you may already have an area for your photo. If not, you need to move some stuff around and make sure you've got an area where your photo can go. Now you need to go to Elements in the top left-hand corner and then just search for Frame. Once you've done that, you will then see the frames. You can click See All, drag on a frame for the shape that you want. So maybe you want a circle, you can have a square, or any of these other frames. You can then resize it and put it in the area. If you've already got one of these on your resume, you don't need to add it. You just need to follow the next step. So next, you want to go to Uploads on the left, then click Upload Files, and then find your photo and click Open. You'll then see it upload. Once it's uploaded to Canva, we can just simply left click and drag it on to our resume. That's how you can do it. You can then resize this or move this anywhere on the screen.